Hello dear aspirants, this is Dr. Sourav Sir Classes. Our contact number is 98367930076. Again, I am repeating our contact number, which is 98367930076, and our email ID is souravsirclasses@gmail.com. So if you have any mathematical queries, doubts or anything, so please feel free to contact on this number. That means you can call on this number or you can WhatsApp also. Rather, you can drop an email to our email ID. So then you can join as a student to our institute, and you can join our regular batches, our one-on-one sessions and our online classes. So that will be beneficial for your upcoming examinations like CUET, data science, etc. So please feel free to contact if you need any help from us. Okay, so now we are going to solve a problem which is appeared in the CUET data science question paper, and the question is telling us that in which theorem a to the power p minus 1 congruent to 1 modulo p, where p is prime and a is a positive integer, is not divisible by p. So whose theorem is this? This is a very well known property in our elementary number theory. And if we are getting these things, that means a to the power p minus 1 is modulo 1 mod p. Rather, we would write a to the power p congruent to 1 a modulo p. So this is a very well known property where our a is a positive integer not divisible by p, is invented by Euler. So this is Euler's theorem in the elementary number theory course. So please feel free to contact if you need any other help from us. So then you can join as a student to our institute, and you can enjoy all the services of Dr. Sourav Sir's classes. Okay, thank you guys. Hope you understood. Thank you.